Act 1, the hook, the hidden divide. Soft, cinematic tone, deliberate pauses. What if I told you that the greatest illusion of all is the illusion of separation? That the distance you feel between yourself and others, the gap you sense between your inner world and the universe beyond, is not real. It feels real. It feels heavy. It feels permanent. But it is a construct, a veil, a trick of perception woven so tightly into your mind, you rarely stop to question it. And here's the truth no one told you. Behind that illusion lies a hidden key, a forgotten method, one that can reveal the subtle energies pulling you apart and return you to a deeper wholeness. Because separation is not the truth of who you are. It is only the shadow cast by a greater light. Act 2, rising tension, the web of illusion. Separation begins quietly. It begins when you call something me and something else not me. This body, these thoughts, this name, this story. Everything outside becomes other, and from there the illusion spreads. You compare, you compete, you protect, you divide, and suddenly the world feels like a battlefield of parts. Each piece fighting for survival, each soul walking alone. But here's the hidden tension. Even as you believe in separation, your body tells a different story. The air you breathe was moments ago inside the lungs of another. The food you eat carries a memory of sun, soil, and rain. Even the thoughts that rise in your mind echo words spoken by countless others before you. You are not separate. You never were. But the illusion is persistent. It clings. It binds. And the energies that feed it are subtle. A fleeting judgment, a passing fear, a moment of envy or pride. Each one builds the walls a little higher. Each one whispers the same story. You are alone. You are separate. Pause, more intimate, reflective. I remember a night when I felt it so strongly. Walking home beneath the streetlights, I felt cut off from everything. The world looked cold, distant, indifferent. Inside, my thoughts repeated, no one sees you. No one understands you. You are alone. And for a moment, I believed it. But then something shifted. I noticed the light itself. Each lamp along the street, glowing, connected, fed by the same invisible current of electricity. Each beam, though separate, was part of the same source. And suddenly, I saw it. The illusion cracked. I wasn't cut off at all. I was part of a vast web, hidden beneath appearances. Separation was only a story my mind had told me. The deeper truth was unity.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.